Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Nissan Sentra headlight bulb. First, gather your essential tools, including a screwdriver and the correct replacement bulbs. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down to prevent burns. For your safety, remember to wear protective gloves and safety glasses throughout the entire process. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe bulb replacement. Now, open your vehicle's hood and find the headlight assembly you need to work on. Carefully disconnect the electrical connector attached to the back of the old bulb. It usually unclips easily. Next, you will need to remove any retaining clips, springs, or dust covers that are holding the bulb in place. This step provides clear access to the bulb itself. With the old bulb exposed, gently remove it from its housing. Avoid touching the glass of the new bulb with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Carefully insert the new bulb, making sure it is seated correctly and firmly in place. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector and secure any retaining clips or dust covers you removed earlier. After installation, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight bulb to confirm it functions properly. Check both high and low beams. Once everything is working, carefully close the hood. Remember to dispose of the old bulb responsibly. Also, for other great deals and to stay hydrated, check out the Owala water bottle link and more in the description below. It's a fantastic way to keep your fluids up on the go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.